Redoptable. Redoptable means of that respectable. Is that word? Respectable, redoptable. मैंने अगर बड़े शान वालों शानदार या आला, ठीक है? Redoptable or respectable. Once the audience are present at the stage side, the guests are there, you are compare or you are a speaker or you are going to perform your speeches. The audience are present. Now think about what will you say? All my guests, respectable and redoptable. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Good morning. Have a nice day. This is the best method to make you them. Okay, we are with you, sir, and you are respectable for us. You have given us your precious time. These words for those. For example, if you like a personality, any personality that you like very much, and your inspirations, your heart would say, okay, I like this personality. I say he is a very respectable person in the society. So where you would use the word is redoptable or respectable. Both are synonym to each other. So you can use respectable or redoptable. It's up to you. Last word is there. Predominantly. Predominantly. Means of that almost. Taqriban.